I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by choosing a solid hardwood log, 6 to 10 inches in diameter and about 18 to 24 inches long, to get the deep, focused tones Jaylokas uses. Once selected, mark the center line and the tongue layout for your scale, keeping roughly 1/2 inch of wall at each end so the body resonates. Now set up your tools: bandsaw to split, chisels and rasps to shape tongues, a tuner to check pitches, and finishing oil. Begin cutting the top with steady, controlled strokes. Once the top is milled to about 3/4 of an inch, you cut parallel tongues with consistent 1/8 inch gaps. This spacing prevents sympathetic damping and creates clear notes. You then raise pitch by removing material from each tongue's base rather than the tip. That preserves sustain and the Jaylokas-like timbre. Use a chromatic tuner and work in small steps, shaving roughly 0.5 to 1 millimeter, testing after every change. Make sure to rescan the entire scale in context so intervals feel balanced. You finish by sealing the interior with a thin lacquer to stabilize humidity response, and oiling the exterior with tongue or boiled linseed to bring out attack and warmth. Once cured, mount the log on small foam risers or a simple bridge system to allow free vibration, then test dynamic range with soft and hard mallets. If you hear buzzing, check for loose fibers or inconsistent gaps and tighten or sand them. If notes are flat, carefully remove small amounts from the tongue base and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.